Hi everybody, it's Adrienne from the OM Glistens here for our daily dose of such fun! I haven't taken a shower yet. This is how I look. You're welcome. Every day we go through Miranda Hart's book, Miranda's Daily Dose of Such Fun, and take on her assignments and challenges, and we upload them here, so like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Today's assignment says, anyone else dream of being a pop or rock star? It's important to have dreams, but sadly some of the crazier ones don't always come true. However, there's nothing to say you can't find your way to fulfill them in your own unique way. Turn the lights off in the kitchen, put on a favorite song, open the fridge. Imagine the light as a spotlight on a massive stage. Grab a wooden spoon for a microphone and perform. Such fun.
It's all coming back to me now. There were more